Malaysia recorded 1,704 new COVID-19 cases on Sunday, ending a 3-day streak where new infection breached the 2,000 mark. Selangor recording the highest number of cases at 673, followed by Sabah and Johor. The country also reported 11 new fatalities, bringing the death toll up to 494. Malaysia also discharged 2,726 patients, which means the total of recoveries is 97,218 at a rate of 81.6%. The total number of active cases in the country is now 21,365. Cumulatively, the country's total number of cases since the outbreak began in January is 119,077 cases. 124 people are being treated at intensive care units, with 51 of them requiring ventilator support. Meanwhile, 9 more clusters have been detected in the country, including 3 in Johor. The Belati cluster was identified in Johor, Kota Tinggi, Kulai and Pontian. The case index tested positive on December 29 after targeted workplace screenings. A total of 277 individuals were screened and 44 cases were detected. The Wawasan Gading cluster was identified in Batu Pahat. The case index tested positive after showing symptoms on December 14. The Renggit Central cluster was identified after the case index tested positive following screenings before returning to Malaysia on December 28. The Lintas Seraya cluster was identified in Kota Kinabalu and Penampang in Sabah. 44 individuals were screened and 16 cases were detected. In Selangor, the Perdana Avenue construction site cluster was identified in Petaling. Cases were identified following targeted workplace screenings on December 30th. 783 individuals were screened and 202 cases were detected. The Osmojaya cluster was identified in Hulu Langat following targeted workplace screenings on December 15. 188 individuals were screened and 46 cases were detected. The Manik cluster was identified in Kuala Krai, Kelantan and Dungun, Terengganu. The case index contracted an influenza-like illness which then tested positive for the virus on December 28. The Paloh Tumpat cluster was also detected in Kelantan, while the Stotong cluster was identified in Sarawak.